Hello everyone. So in this video, we're gonna unbox the OnePlus Wireless Z. Where is the seal? Okay, I couldn't find any seal. Let's break it this way. Let's keep it aside and see what's inside the box. We have the red cable, the red cable club card, couple of earbuds, and a quick start guide. The OnePlus claims that if you charge for 10 minutes, you're gonna get for 10 hours of music playtime. It looks cooler than the other colors. The neckband is rubberized and the texture feels nice. And that thing is a plastic, not a metal. For the comparison, I have the mint color over here. Honestly, the Reverb RED looks way more cooler than the mint. The rubberized texture on the mint is not as smooth as the Reverb RED. I think they have ditched the quick switch button in Reverb RED. So both of these earphones have the low latency mode. So this helps in reducing the audio lag when you play games like PUBG or Call of Duty. So that's it about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you do like the video, a thumbs up would be nice and a sub to the channel would be great.